Tell us how you met your wife.
So, I met my wife online, Facebook actually. So, Shatawale made a video. Shatawale, the Ghanaian musician, made a video. And in the video, he was putting Ghana on a bad light. So I reacted to the video and I said, it's not good for a celebrity of such caliber to be putting his country in such a bad light. So I said, okay, let me talk about it. So I made my analysis and my wife liked the video. And so she sent me a DM that she liked what I said in the video. Meanwhile, she has been a fan. She's been watching me for a long time. And she's inspired by my content. So anytime I want to visit Ghana, please, I should let her know so she can host me. And she was very specific, so she can host me in a public restaurant. So not a private guest house. So I had a wedding. I was preparing to go to Ghana in the next 2 months. And I said, okay, since I'm going to Ghana, I found somebody who will help me get apartments in Ghana. So I sent her my number. I said, please, I'll be coming to Ghana soon. So I need you to help me secure an apartment where I can stay for a couple of days. So she was like, okay. And so she did. That's how we met.
Okay, so can you recall what Shatawale said?
What?
Can you remember what Shatawale said like that day?
Yeah, Shatawale said, I think he was just blaming Ghanaian musicians and entertainers for some of the things they were doing. And he was also condemning the country. I can't remember exactly what it was, but he was really blasting the country. So anybody outside Ghana would think that Ghanaians are some kind of way. So I just didn't like that. It wasn't that serious, but maybe how I made the analysis and how accurate I was, maybe that was what she liked.
On a lighter note, I guess.
Yeah.
My people, make I tell una, Nigerian girls, make una bring una pride down, start to dey DM our guys, so una don't hear how the King Famous wife take win his soul. And this is almost like how Moses Bliss wife take win his soul also. These Ghanaian girls, they know what's up, oh. Waiting they worry una, make una bring una pride down, start to dey DM our guys, so this one, all of them, they go out. I love girls that know exactly what they want. Like when you see your man, your kind of man, the best thing you should do is just send a DM to the person. You understand? If you can't come straight, just go through the corners. You understand? Know exactly what you... This is what Odogu Parara did though. He knew exactly what he wanted. He went for it. But no, our guests to get pride. Pepper body to the word. No, I can't DM him. Oh, you want my steez to go down? No, he will be the one to... When you know that you are in love with that person, like that person is your kind of man, your spec. But pride no go allow.